Hello and welcome to this video on how to access Metamask on Chrome browser. So if you are new here, subscribe and press the notification bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming further videos. Now let's get started. So firstly, you need to open your Chrome browser, and on the top there will be a search bar. You just have to click on the search bar and type Metamask and press enter in the keyboard. Now the search results will be shown to you. You just have to click on the first search result with Fox logo in it. Just click on it and Metamask will be opened. So currently I have already downloaded Metamask. So if you haven't downloaded, then there will be a download button instead of view Metamask portfolio. So you just have to click on the download button and you will be redirected to the Chrome store, and you just need to click the install button, and after the installation they will ask you if you want to add Metamask to the extension, and you just have to accept that. And when you have done that, you just have to look on the top right hand side of the Chrome. There will be an icon. So when you hover around it, it will say extension, that is on the left hand side of the download icon. So you just have to click on that extensions, and there will be the list of extensions that you have previously added. So now you just have to click on that Metamask and Metamask will be opened. So this is how to access Metamask on Chrome. So if this video is helpful to you, don't forget to leave a like button. Thank you.